Hi everyone, so we are dealing with respiratory pathology. Today we are learning about squamous cell carcinoma. So squamous cell carcinoma, it can be again three types. One is well differentiated, moderately differentiated and poorly differentiated. So what you see here, it is well differentiated. Here you can see eosinophilic keratin pearls. So this is having best prognosis. Okay, this is well differentiated. That means it is actually resembles normal. So you can remember like that. It is resembles normal. So it is having best prognosis. Now this is actually moderately differentiated. Here you can see the cytoplasmic connections between the two tumor cells, that is intercellular bridges. So this is moderately differentiated. What you can see here, it is intercellular bridges. So here the two tumor cells, their cytoplasms, they are connecting to each other. Okay. For example, you can think these are the two tumor cells. Then their cytoplasms will be connecting to each other. This picture you can see the poorly differentiated one. So it is poorly differentiated. It is having poor prognosis. So hope you remember best prognosis was seen in which one? Well differentiated one, which is having keratin pearls. This is poorly differentiated and it is having poor prognosis. So in the first one you see keratin pearls, second one you see intercellular bridge. Here you cannot see keratin pearls, you cannot see intercellular bridge. But how can you then make sure, or how can you confirm this? By doing immunohistochemistry. Immunohistochemistry, what are the markers present in this cytokeratin, and also P40 and P63 will be positive. So remember, keratin pearls, intercellular bridges will be absent, and what is present is cytokeratin will be positive in immunohistochemistry, and also P40 and P63 will be positive. Now few important points about squamous cell carcinoma. So squamous cell carcinoma is most commonly associated with smoking. So this is actually most common type in males also. Okay, most commonly it is associated with smoking. The most common type of lung cancer associated with smoking, and also it is the most common type in males. And the location, it is central in location. Means usually the squamous cell carcinoma will be arising from the segmental bronchi. Now which gene is getting mutated? The gene getting mutated is P53. And another important point, here you can see cavitation. Cavitation is associated with the squamous cell carcinoma, and it is having best prognosis. Overall we can say like that, it is having best prognosis. In squamous cell carcinoma, best prognosis mostly it is for well differentiated one. And the paraneoplastic syndrome that you can see here, it is hypercalcemia. That is because of parathyroid hormone related peptide. These are the important points So it is most common type of lung cancer in smokers, also most common type in males, and you can see it is affecting mainly the central portion, and cavitation is associated with this. And what about the prognosis? What about the gene mutated and paraneoplastic syndrome? So that is about squamous cell carcinoma. Okay, thank you.